came home to a package from Keto Bean. I'm so excited.
Open her up and see what's inside. Yeah, buddy. Keto Beans.
Of course, today when I got home, first thing I did is take a shot of Keto Beam because Lord knows I need it.
They are like 100% bioavailable, which means my body can use them immediately.
They just don't taste of anything. They're not salty like the Light Show products I was using. It's just like water.
I'm going to continue telling you guys how amazing this stuff is. This is called Electrolyte. It's from Keto Beam. This is made up of over 70 trace minerals, so it's like the perfect ratio of electrolytes.
They are unflavored and unsweetened, so they do not break my fast.
If you are lacking electrolytes, this is your best friend.
The Diana Ghouls, best in the biz, man. Best in the biz.
Preventing the keto flu with Keto Beam.
Even when camping, I take my Keto Beam.
You only need a half cup of each for these 2 big bottles, and so it'll last you about 2 months.
But Keto Beam is the brand that I use and trust.
So if you are feeling tired, you have the keto flu, you're nauseous, you're throwing up, you have a headache, you need electrolytes.
So Micro Boost helps clear your cells of all dead stuff and things that aren't helping you.
Are you excited about keto meal?
This is what's up.
And what I love about Keto Beam is that they tell you everything it is to know about their nutrients.
They will make you feel better. They will.